Hi, in our previous video, we have learned how to calculate EMI. Now you all would be aware that because of this pandemic situation, Reserve Bank of India has given moratorium period of 6 months. Now, based on that moratorium period, we will have to calculate the new EMI of the customer or the borrowers. So this is what we are going to learn in this video as to how to calculate the new EMI in Excel sheet with reference to the moratorium period. So hi guys, my name is Rahul Srivastav and let's start our video. As you can see, I have already prepared the Excel sheet which is in front of you, and here we have the loan amount, the moratorium period, the interest, tenure of the loan, and the future value after giving the moratorium period, and based on this future value what would be the EMI for the remaining period of months. So as you can see here, as soon as I type here instead of 36, this face future value and EMI automatically gets changed. Now let us suppose the moratorium period which has been provided by Reserve Bank of India is 3 months. So as soon as I type here 3, it again gets changed to the new EMI. So how have I made this future value and EMI sheet is what I am going to make you appraise. So first and foremost, I'll delete these two cells for you, and first we'll learn how we have calculated the future value. Now, as you already know, before starting of any formula we need to put an equals to sign. So we'll put equals to, and future value, for future value f is the formula, and we'll press a tab button. Now it is asking me to input the rate. So rate will input as 8% divided by 12, comma, it is asking me to input the n per. N per is nothing but for the period of months the moratorium period has been given. So here we have supposed 3 months moratorium period has been given. Again we'll put a comma, and PMT. PMT would be nothing but 0 over here. Again we'll put a comma, and it is asking me to input the present value. So present value would be nothing but 10 lakh rupees that we have supposed here. Why minus? Because it is an out of pocket expenses. And again we'll close the bracket and we'll press enter. As soon as I press enter button, you can see here it has given me the new future value which is after 3 months of moratorium. Means loan amount is 10 lakh rupees, and after giving 3 months of moratorium period, this 10 lakh would be amounting to 10 lakh 20,134 rupees. Now based on this future value, we need to calculate the new equated monthly installment for the customer. So here what we need to do is we need to calculate the EMI for remaining 33 months, and for that we'll put an equals to sign. PMT is the formula. We'll press a tab button. Rate would be nothing but 8% divided by 12. Again we'll put a comma. N per would be the not 36 months but 36 minus the number of months for which the moratorium period has been provided, which is nothing but 3. So 36 minus 3 would be 33. So here N per would be 36 minus 3. Again we'll put a comma, and again we'll press present value. It is asking me to input the present value. So present value would be here nothing, not 10 lakh rupees but 10 lakh 20,134 rupees. Why? Because this is the new loan amount after moratorium period. So we'll select this cell and then we'll press 0 comma 0 because we have no type over here, and then we'll press enter button, and this would be the new EMI for us. Now based on this EMI, I have prepared the detailed Excel sheet for you which you can verify from here. Now see, 34,540 is the new EMI over here, and you can see here this is the loan amount. Interest in the first year would be this, would be nothing but loan amount into 8% divided by 12, and then repayment period for the first 3 months as we have provided the moratorium would be 0, and the closing balance would be nothing but this plus this and minus repayment period. So at the end of the 36th month it should be 0. As you can see here, the principal amount comes down to 0 rupees. So I hope this video was useful to you, and based on this video you can calculate the new EMI for any number of moratorium period. As you can see here, suppose the moratorium period provided is 6 months, you can type here 6 and you can appraise the new EMI. So if you need this Excel sheet, you can give me the email ID. I will send you through email ID. So thank you for watching the video. If you like my initiative, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Thank you.